everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Benefit POREfessional Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer for pores, and it looks like this. Benefit sent this over as part of PR months and months ago, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing to the channel if you also love product reviews. Not sure what's wrong with my voice today. It sounds a little like hoarse. There are still fires burning as of the day that I am filming this video. I've also been experiencing headaches, allergies, and still a little bit of a cough. So if my voice sounds weird still, it is because of that. Benefit describes this as a lightweight gel cream with a water-based formula to smooth the look of pores and provide up to all-day hydration. You can find this at benefitcosmetics.com and sephora.com. It will be linked for you down below. A 1.7 ounce unit like this, I know it is tiny, retails for $44, and there is a mini version 0.70 ounces that retails for $22. I will also try to link that version down below for you. Benefit suggests that you apply to clean, dry skin on your face and neck morning and evening. You do want to follow it with your favorite sunscreen after application when used during the day. This formula is loaded with some good hydrators, anti-agers, and skin-soothing ingredients. We see niacinamide, an anti-aging, pore minimize, skin-soothing antioxidant that also brightens dull, uneven skin. Niacinamide also strengthens the skin's protective barrier. We see squalane, which hydrates and is one of the best anti-aging ingredients available. It minimizes moisture loss, restores suppleness, it's lightweight and not greasy, perfect for oily and combo skin. It also strengthens skin's protective barrier. We also see aloe leaf juice, an antioxidant that hydrates and soothes skin. We also see sphingolipids. This emollient helps the skin to make more ceramides, which I found to be very interesting. Ceramides are fatty acids that are a natural component of the skin, and they act like glue to hold cells together. They help create a barrier that helps to seal in moisture and protect the skin from environmental damage. I have used this as part of my daytime routine for the months of November and December. That is, of course, until the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer arrived. So I am now trying and testing this. So a review is coming. And I liked that this was water-based and it was also lightweight. It wore nicely under different sunscreens and makeup without pilling, flaking, or interfering with the performance of my makeup. I liked this, and I really love the glow that it gives my skin. It has been more than a year since I reviewed a water-based moisturizer, so I am going to simply compare this to the last moisturizer I reviewed here on my channel, and that is the SkinFix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream, which looks like this. So a look at the, just the packaging overall is completely different here. I will link my review to the SkinFix Barrier Plus product up above. I will say that the SkinFix product is definitely richer in texture and better suited for like normal combo dry skin. Because of my age, I definitely prefer the SkinFix unit because it also contains peptides and a wide array of the best anti-aging ingredients. So I love that I can use SkinFix day or night and get about the same glow from both units. I do feel like this gives me a little bit more of a glow, however. I also prefer the SkinFix packaging. This is an airless jar here, whereas here you have to kind of dip your fingers, and I'm not sure, my hands are very small. I have very small hands. I use extra small gloves at work, but sometimes I do find it hard to open. It could also be because I'm rushing in the morning, but I do find it hard to open. But that could be a me problem, very much so a me problem. There are also a lot more things that I love about the SkinFix unit. I will say, however, that I do not think that I can use this during like the warmer months, as that is typically when I reach for gel or water-based products such as these. I wish that I could tell you that this has improved the appearance of my pores, but sadly I feel like it did not. My pores, I feel they need a little bit more oomph. More niacinamide to help minimize their appearance. I really liked how I was able to honestly work this over my skin. It gave me a nice glow, as you saw on the demo, and it kept my skin balanced, plump, hydrated throughout the day, and it worked incredibly well with different sunscreens. That is the moisturizer that I am wearing today, and I am not wearing sunscreen because it is literally 7 p.m. And I will say my skin looks great. I was like, am I really giving this the rating that I am? Because right now I am looking at myself and I think my skin looks really good. But I will say I also had a facial 2 days ago, so that could also be playing a role with how good my skin looks today. But I'm not discounting the fact that this is on my skin, so that could also play a role in how we are looking today. This worked very well with different sunscreens and makeup without pilling or flaking. Because I do have normal skin, I definitely preferred using this as part of my daytime routine. I definitely prefer creams or even richer creams now at night. I think that combo oily skin may enjoy this morning and evening, year round as well. My favorite way to use this product was, of course, during the day. I would start off by removing a sunscreen, and from a workout, I would start off by removing makeup, sweat, grime, debris from the gym with Drunk Elephant's Best Jelly Cleanser. Definitely still use the Pore Tight Toner by Glow Recipe. I will link my review to that up above. It's one of my favorite products. Then I would go in with the Drunk Elephant Hydra Bright Serum, which is right over here. I recently emptied this, but I will also link my review to that up above in case you are looking for a vitamin C serum that is not L-ascorbic acid based. I would follow that with eye serum, eye cream, and then a healthy amount of this moisturizer over dry skin, followed by Paula's Choice SPF for sensitive skin. I would recommend this to someone in their 20s who has normal combo oily skin that can tolerate water-based moisturizers. Because this does have a fragrance, I would highly suggest that sensitive skin perform a patch test. I feel like the scent is a barely there, like clean scent. I feel like if you are 30 plus with enlarged pores, you may want to just look elsewhere. Say for example, the FARMACY 10% Overnight Niacinamide Mask. I will link my review to that up above. You can use my code Nadia20. It will save you 20% off the entire FARMACY store. It is an affiliate code, and I do make a very small commission from your purchase. I never know what you purchase, but I am thoroughly thankful for anyone who has used my code in the past. Thank you so much. Pros. This did not break me out or further congest my skin. It kept my skin nourished balanced throughout the day, even when temperatures took a dip and even when the air was drier. This did give me a very nice glow throughout the entirety of the day, and I did not look or feel like an oil slick at the end of the day, which that's really, really good. Cons. I kind of hinted at that. The packaging, it feels too small for my hands, and for $44, I feel like I want perhaps a better looking jar. I didn't mind it so much for the mask by Benefit that I reviewed as well. I will link that up above. I feel like it's still one of my favorite masks, and in the mask, again, I don't mind it too much. There is a slight sticky tackiness to this that I think that makeup wearers will enjoy, however some may not. And I feel like this didn't necessarily smooth or minimize the appearance of my pores. This does contain less than 1% of synthetic fragrance, which again I can barely smell. I don't hate it. Personally, I do not hate it, but if again you are sensitive to fragrances, a patch test is what I would recommend. I definitely wanted to rate this higher, but I am having to deduct a few points here for a few things such as fragrance, not necessarily delivering on its claims, at least on my skin. So I am rating this a 7.5 out of 10. I do, however, believe that if you have younger, youthful, oily skin, you will enjoy this a lot more than my 40-year-old self. So while I do enjoy water-based moisturizers, I do think that I personally need more peptides and more ceramides. And then I will look for my pore minimizers elsewhere, like the FARMACY. Let me know if you have tried this product by Benefit in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you were able to learn something new. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My also now empty, I don't know where it went. Oh, I think it's on the floor. It fell earlier. What is this? Also, I am getting my hair done this Thursday. I'm not sure. I'm kind of digging the dark hair, but I haven't had my hair done in a minute. I also need a cut, but I think I'm gonna let it grow going forward. I do like this kind of mid-length vibe. I'm not sure. I am loving this dark bit here. I feel like it makes me look a little bit older. So next couple of videos you might see me with new hair. So yeah,